Welcome to CarWow 787, your ultimate destination for in-depth insights into the world of heavy-duty engines and trucks. Whether you're a seasoned trucker, a diesel enthusiast, or someone keen on understanding the mechanics behind these powerful machines, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest main content. Today, we're diving deep into the Cummins ISX15 engine, a powerhouse that has become a staple in the heavy-duty trucking industry. We'll explore its specifications, performance, maintenance, and more to give you a comprehensive understanding of what makes this engine a preferred choice for many. Overview of the Cummins ISX15. The Cummins ISX15 is a 14.9-liter inline-six diesel engine that has been a mainstay in the heavy-duty trucking sector. Known for its robust performance and reliability, the ISX15 has been widely adopted in various applications, including long-haul trucking, vocational, and specialty vehicles. Specifications: displacement, 14.9 liters, configuration, inline six-cylinder. Horsepower, ranges from 400 to 600 horsepower. Torque, between 1,450 to 2,050 pounds-ft. Governed speed, 2,000 to 2,100 revolutions per minute. Dry weight, approximately 3,021 pounds 1,370 kilograms. These specifications highlight the engine's capability to handle demanding tasks, making it suitable for various heavy-duty applications. Performance and efficiency. The ISX15 is renowned for its balance between power and fuel efficiency. Its advanced fuel system and turbocharging technology ensure optimal combustion, resulting in better fuel economy and lower emissions. The engine's design also allows for extended maintenance intervals, reducing downtime and operational costs. Emissions and environmental compliance. Cummins has integrated several technologies into the ISX15 to meet stringent emissions standards. Exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) reduces nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gas back into the engine cylinders. Diesel particulate filter (DPF) captures and stores soot from the exhaust gas, which is later burned off during regeneration cycles. Selective catalytic reduction (SCR) uses diesel exhaust fluid (DEF) to convert nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water vapor. These systems work in tandem to ensure the ISX15 complies with environmental regulations while maintaining performance. Maintenance and reliability. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep the ISX15 running smoothly. Key maintenance practices include oil changes. Regular oil and filter changes are essential to prevent engine wear. Fuel system maintenance. Keeping the fuel system clean ensures efficient combustion and prevents injector issues. Cooling system checks. Ensuring the cooling system is functioning correctly prevents overheating and potential engine damage. Air filter replacement. Clean air filters are vital for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Cummins provides detailed maintenance schedules and guidelines to help operators keep their engines in top condition. Common issues and troubleshooting. While the ISX15 is known for its reliability, some common issues may arise. EGR cooler failures can lead to coolant leaks and reduced engine performance. Turbocharger problems may result in decreased power and increased fuel consumption. Fuel injector issues can cause misfires and poor fuel economy. Addressing these issues promptly and adhering to recommended maintenance practices can mitigate potential problems. Applications and versatility. The ISX15's versatility makes it suitable for various applications. Long-haul trucking. Its fuel efficiency and power make it ideal for cross-country transportation. Vocational trucks, used in construction, waste management, and other industries requiring robust performance. Specialty vehicles, adapted for use in fire trucks, RVs, and other specialized vehicles. Its adaptability across different sectors underscores the engine's design excellence. Technological advancements. Cummins has continuously improved the ISX15 by incorporating advanced technologies. Variable geometry turbocharger (VGT) enhances engine response and efficiency across different operating conditions. Integrated electronic controls provides real-time monitoring and diagnostics, allowing for proactive maintenance. Advanced fuel systems ensures precise fuel delivery for optimal combustion and reduced emissions. These innovations contribute to the engine's performance, efficiency, and longevity. Comparison with successor models. The ISX15 has been succeeded by the Cummins ISX15 series, which builds upon its predecessor's strengths. Enhanced fuel economy. The X15 offers improved fuel efficiency through advanced combustion technology. Lower emissions. Meets stricter emission standards with updated after-treatment systems. Increased power output. Offers higher horsepower and torque ratings for demanding applications. While the X15 represents the next generation, the ISX15 remains a reliable choice for many operators. Conclusion. The Cummins ISX15 engine stands as a testament to engineering excellence in the heavy-duty trucking industry. Its combination of power, efficiency, and reliability has made it a preferred choice for various applications. By adhering to recommended maintenance practices and staying informed about potential issues, operators can ensure the longevity and performance of their ISX15 engines. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Cummins ISX15 engine. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more insights into the world of heavy-duty engines and trucks. Until next time, stay safe and keep on trucking.